Welcome to the instructions video for the Consolidation Settlement Interactive Calculator. This powerful geotechnical tool helps you predict how much saturated clay soils will compress over time under applied loads, which is critical for designing stable foundations and embankments. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several soil parameters. Start by inputting the clay layer thickness in meters, then enter the initial void ratio, which represents the soil's current porosity. Next, input the compression index, a measure of how compressible the soil is. You'll also need the initial effective stress and the final effective stress after loading, both in kilopascals. Finally, enter the coefficient of consolidation to determine settlement timing. For our example, let's use a 3-meter thick clay layer with an initial void ratio of 0.9, compression index of 0.3, initial stress of 100 kilopascals, and final stress of 200 kilopascals. The results will show you the total expected settlement and the time required to reach different degrees of consolidation. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.